Hey everyone, welcome back to VixTZG. Today I'm doing a collectible t-shirt opening. So this is Human Made, geared for your futuristic teenagers. I've removed the invoice because there's like personal details there, but this time they came with this pit bull dog. This was similar to the Victor music label t-shirt they did before, but I guess this is like in the similar Human Made Dryals art, and this is the fold it came with. The first one here, what size is it? It is a size small, so this would be the one for my partner. You can take it out, have a look. All this stuff comes in these really cool bags. Yes, futuristic teenagers. It came quite quick. I think this released last week. I should have 2 more arriving, hopefully. And this is it. It's really nice, actually. It's a KAWS crossover. And then I do believe on the back, KAWS made. So KAWS is an artist. I think most people know about him. He is known for the signature crosses, and then of course he's had such a long relationship with NIGO for a long time. And I think it's the first time NIGO and KAWS work on the Human Made brand. Of course for bait, like Bathing Ape, they did a lot more. So this should be my one. Hopefully this is my one. Same thing, comes with this envelope. Well, it normally has your invoice in it. And then this is the tee that I got. I got double XL. Normally I get large or extra large. I think extra large, just for the fit. But this time around I got double XL. I think I just didn't want to miss out. I've tried double XL before. I've gotten like a double XL in the Mark Ronson before, but the design I ended up choosing was this one. KAWS made. I just like the text on it, really. I like the yellow on the text, and then on the back there's KAWS made. I probably should have gotten the bear one, the polar bear one. The polar bear one had like the signature KAWS polar bear. And then I said KAWS made on the back, but this one just says KAWS made on the front in yellow. And then I should be getting 2 more soon. So thanks again for viewing. I know this is a little bit different, but this is one of the other things that I like collecting, is just collab t-shirts. I think this also runs in the way that I like to collect cards, like collab trading cards as well, like those Pikachus. Thanks again for viewing. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll be drawing this at 500 subscribers.